This skill module covers coherent planning for the future at the core level. This section explores why this topic is important. When discussing our future energy generation infrastructure requirements, especially concerning renewables, we must appreciate that the two main types of energy, potential and kinetic, involve drastically different infrastructure considerations. Potential energy implies that the energy is already stored and needs only to be released, as is the case with natural gas and other fossil fuels. But many types of renewable energy, including solar and wind energy, are kinetic. Because wind and solar energy are kinetic and intermittent, we'll need the technological capacities to capture and store that renewable energy when energy demand exceeds immediate availability of wind and/or solar energy. Whereas things like fuel reserves do not need to be connected to the grid, most of our current renewable energy captured will. To fully harness its potential and maximize the efficiency of our renewable power generation capabilities, we'll need to complement them with technologies that allow for the storage of any excess energy produced. In this module, we'll overview recent challenges in transitioning to renewable energy sources and how we can improve our strategies in the future. This will require us to consider the factors and circumstances responsible for recent blackouts and high energy costs of renewables in parts of Europe and California, as well as how clean energy tax incentives impact the supply and demand for renewables in comparison to energy produced from non-renewable sources. By the end of the module, students will have a greater appreciation for the value of coherent and strategic infrastructure planning in our ability to transition to renewable energy sources. This skill module discusses the topics shown here. You may also be interested in the skill modules shown here.